Alright guys, this is going to be a Handycam video of the MIB exhaust fan in the shop room at Affton High School. Yeah, this fan looks very old. It's a very nice fan, and you can see the louvers outside. And here's the switch. And before we demonstrate it, there's the logo. The motor's horsepower.
And what did we say it was? New York?
Yeah.
It's a New York blower company.
Yeah. Alright, let's turn on. Let's start on low. Here we go. It's bright outside today. Alright. Shut it off so that we can turn it on high. To give you a good listen to its cool setup sound. There we go. This all the way. It's got 4 blades. Alright. Listen to this. Woo. Wow. It's sky blue outside. Very sunny out. Watch this. Hear that click? Yeah. Let's watch it spin down.
Pretty awesome.